တကယ်ကျွန်တော်အားလုံးမင်္ဂလာပါဒီတစ်ခါလဲဆရာကသင်ခန်းစာတစ်ကိုထပ်ပြီးမြောက်ရဖြစ်ပါတယ်အရင်သင်ခန်းစာကရှေ့ဒီ episode သင်ခန်းစာဆရာ who are you မင်းဘယ်သူလဲနော် who are you with မင်းကဘယ်သူနဲ့ရှိနေရလဲဒီနေ့သင်ခန်းစာတော့ဆရာတို့က where ဖြစ်ပါတယ်နော် where are you မင်းဘယ်မှာလဲနော် where are you မင်းဘယ်ရောက်နေလဲ where are you မင်းဘယ်မှာလဲ I am at home ငါအိမ်မှာရှိတယ်လေ where are you from မင်းဘယ်ကလဲ I am from Japan I am from Korea. I am from China. I am from Myanmar. Where? That's when the magic on zero. Where are you? Where are you from? I'm on zero. I need to make. Where are you walking? Where are you studying? Where are you studying? I'm studying at university. Where are you walking? I am walking in a bank. I am walking in a hotel. I am walking in a company. No? That's why now go. Where are you playing game? Me, bama game kazanele. I am playing game at the tea shop. I am playing game at home. I am playing game in my bedroom. No? Where are you having lunch? Me, bama nilesa sanele. Alright, having sanele purely abare or eating and don't yabare. No? Oh, where are you having lunch? I am having lunch at the tea shop in my office room. No, I am walking in the bank. Where are you? Me Bamale. No, where are you? Me Bamale. Where are you from? Me Begalale. No, where are you studying? Me Bama Lila. Alright, the ING Madamari was your Piedeka China said, or ING the Pia Pibare. Alright, where are you? Me Bamale. No, where are you? Bamale? Where are you from? Me Begalabale. Where are you studying? Where are you? Papa, don't know yourself. Where are you playing game? Papa, game Kazania. Where are you studying? Papa, Lila. Where are you walking? Me, Pama, Lolo. Where are you staying? Me, Pama, Daniel. Where are you playing game? Me, Pama, game Kazania. Chipare, or Daddy, Bingo Lady, go Chai Jibido, Lichiba. Go to the Sakari Pioji met, the engine now she is in it. Me like feeling that the wood litchi be no Pudo Sendibare. Okay, Tisu de Mare, now that thing has at the dema, type it up, which I'm thinking, no, a cheap video that Loma would Tisu de Mare.